There are specific issues that most homeowners are experiencing with both new and old garage doors. For instance, your photo eye may be out of alignment. This is the element of a garage door which detects if it has reached the bottom. When it is from alignment, it would simply bounce back up. It is also common to the metal tracks on either sides of the door to be out from alignment. This may cause the door to shimmy and shake since it goes down and up. These are generally just a few of the numerous common issues which you may be facing. No matter your issue, Able Garage Door Installation Bolingbrook may help you out.